Hi, this is Dr. Lou Jacobs, chiropractor in Portland, Maine, and I am here to tell you that there is a potential solution to your leg cramps at night that is easier than you would have ever expected. Quinine is typically used for the treatment of malaria in very high doses. In much smaller doses, like the kind of dose that's less than 83 parts per million in a liter of tonic water, you can get enough quinine that anecdotally people say it works on the cramps. Now, research has been spotty on this, admittedly. However, in my office, I've recommended this just as something to try with zero risk. I've recommended it to dozens and dozens, if not hundreds and hundreds of patients. And many of them, most of them, good 85%, come back and they tell me that drinking just a little bit of tonic water before bed prevents their leg cramps. Give it a try. Let me know how it worked down below. If it didn't work, don't be frustrated. There may be another solution. Again, this doesn't work for everybody, but for those that it does work for, it's a game changer. Say goodbye to leg cramps. Talk to you soon.